Кошскому государственному университету Амиралиев С.М. начальник отдела академической мобильности.
Assalamu alaikum, hurmatli ustozlar, kasbdoshlarim. Sizlar ruxsat etsanglar, men inglizcha gapirsam. Good morning, dear director, guests and colleagues. It is such a great honor to be here with you and deliver a message at International Scientific Technical Conference in spectacular place. Tashkent Palace is so beautiful, joined by many distinguished guests from all across your nation and from all across the world. On behalf of Osh State University, I would like to congratulate you, all of you, academic staff, students, on such kind of very beautiful, significant and important day, the 13th anniversary of Tashkent Chemico-Technological Institute. Tashkent Chemico-Technological Institute, we know, is one of the progressive and avant-garde institutions of Uzbekistan and one of the closest partners of our university. In such a short period of time, in spite of young age, Institute have achieved many wonderful successes and was able to become a leader of high education and a center of genius and creativity. It is well known and proud that your history is closely connected with the history of Uzbek Republic. Today, Institute trains in-demand and the most competitive specialists in the field of chemical, biochemical, oil refinery, food engineering, and other industries of the country. The powerful scientific and human resource potential allowed to Institute to develop unique technology and create new materials used in energy, in medicine, in producing building resources, and metallurgical engineering and other sectors of national economy. By introducing best experience in the preparing highly qualified students and by using widely advanced innovative methods in the educational process, the Institute has gained outstanding prestige and international recognition among universities in Central Asia. In April 2018, thanks to the joint efforts of our colleagues, especially Gulbahar Nishanovna, we managed to establish partnership. A cooperation agreement was signed between our institutions. Later, on the basis of this document, 3 interdepartmental agreements were included. From that time on, our relationship is getting just stronger and deeper. In May 2019, we came here this walking visit and got acquainted with infrastructure and educational process of institute. At that time, we discussed with our colleagues the long-term and prospective plans of our corporation. Professor Sirojev Oybek gave several times online guest lecture to our students. The teachers of your institute have visited our university more than once. We have many common directions. Our profiles are very close. That is why we can confidently develop effective and mutually beneficial cooperation aimed to the implementing joint projects. We hope today's our visit will be a bridge of our friendship and raise our cooperation to another high level. We will be glad to see you and warmly welcome you to our State University. In conclusion, I would like to express my profound gratitude to the Rector, Batur Shukurlayevich, and our colleagues for opportunity to participate in anniversary and remarkable hospitality, and of course for phenomenal welcome. We will remember it forever. We believe that Institute will continue to develop at the same pace and continue to contribute in the field of education and science. I wish many successes to the conference and to the Institute, further prosperity, development, and new scientific achievements. Thank you for your attention. Hurmatli mehmonlar, bizda ham kichkina sovg'amiz bor. Lekin u sovg'amizni mashinada sirtda tashlab kelibmiz. Keyin rektorimizning yordamchisine verip koyamiz. Hozircha kechirim so'raymiz. Rahmat.